Okay guys, in this video we'll deal with the error. Choose your keyboard layout. It's a loop that keeps on occurring again and again. So when you come to this Windows, we'll come down to Troubleshoot, Advanced option and Startup setting. You're going to choose Restart. So here you will have the multiple option to choose. You're going to use, you have a instruction over here. You can use the function key or the number key. So everything is listed in a number. Enable safe mode. So we are going to put the PC in a safe mode. This is the very first solution for this issue. Enable safe mode, the fourth option. So either I can press number 4 in a keyboard or F4. So this will start my PC in a safe mode. I'm going to enter the password, and now my PC is in a safe mode. So you can notice over here, it's written over here, safe mode. Here you have safe mode. So when you have the issue like this, you can put the PC in a safe mode. So why did I open the PC in a safe mode in this case is, now you can use the PC in a safe mode. What you can do is, you can copy all your necessary files to your external drive or drive other than the C drive. You can see C drive has a operating system. So you can copy it to some other drive, E or some external drive, all your important files, and then you can format your PC. Or if it is really very important and necessary, some of the features will be restricted in a safe mode. So you can use the PC in a safe mode, like you can do the browsing work and all this stuff. And then later on, after copying all your important files to the external drive or some other drive, you can format your C drive. So C drive has an operating system. So while formatting the PC, we'll manually format the PC and will not format this other drive. We'll only format the C drive. Later on, or you can even take a backup. So later on, we can just move the important files again back to the PC from the external drive, or you can restore the backup. So this is one advantage of booting your PC in a safe mode in such a condition. In order to exit the safe mode, you're going to hold the shift key in your keyboard and then restart your PC. This will exit the safe mode. Now you can release the shift button. The second easy way to fix this issue is, we'll click on Troubleshoot, and finally we'll reset this PC. So you're going to click enter in order to either you can keep your files or remove everything and reset your PC. It is like a fresh start, like you do fresh start in your PC, or like you do factory reset in your mobile device. It's the same way. Just follow the instruction step by step. This was the second easy way. You can reset your PC. The third easy way is, here it is. Will be in this Windows. Click on Troubleshoot, Advanced option. The third easy way is to fix this issue is, you can use the system restore option. So if you have created any restore point in your PC ever, then you can restore your PC back to that point. So you will have that options over here. When you click on this system restore, you will have an option to restore your PC to that particular point. So you're going to choose your account. It can ask you to enter the password. And finally here. no restore point has been created on the computer system. So there is no restore point. So if you have a restore point, if you have created at any point of time in your PC while you were using, so you need to turn on this setting and you have to create a restore point in your PC while your PC is working fine at any point of time. So you can take your PC back to that point following this wizard. Currently I do not have a restore point. So if you have a restore point, just select any point so if you have a multiple number of restore point, you have an option over here. You can select and just follow the wizard. Click on next and follow the wizard and you can restore your PC to that particular point. So this was the third solution that you could try. Now we'll come down to fourth solution. Again, you're going to choose troubleshoot, advanced option. In the fourth solutions, the very first thing that we'll do is we'll have to use the startup repair. It's a tool that will fix the issue in your laptop. Hit the enter key. You're going to choose the account, enter the password, and click on continue. So this might take a few minutes. So here it is. In most cases, this is the solutions. For most of you guys, it might help. Startup repair could not repair your PC. So this is the error right now. But in most cases, if there is a minor issue, a startup repair will repair your PC and your PC will be working fine. So you must give a one try doing the startup repair. Coming down to the fifth solution, you can again choose the troubleshoot advanced options. So here's the fifth solution. The fifth solution is for those guys who has a system image recovery. So system image recovery, so when your PC is in a healthy condition and your PC is working fine, if you have created a system image recovery, either you have a CD or a DVD or you have a pen drive or a flash drive, wherever you have created a system image recovery. So that can help you. So you need that if you have one. So you're going to click on system image recovery. So you're going to choose your account, enter the password, and here you have. Windows could not find a system image recovery on this computer. Retry. Windows could not find the system image recovery in this computer. So you need to have a system image recovery, and before doing this, you need to insert your USB flash drive in a USB drive of your PC, or you need to insert your CD or DVD into your PC, and then you're going to follow these steps. So if you have your PC going to detect it, your recovery drive, and then you can just follow this wizard, just click on next and follow the wizard in order to recover your PC. So if you do not have a system image recovery disk or a flash drive, this solution is not for you. Now coming down to the sixth solution, troubleshoot advanced option, uninstall the update. If this issue has occurred because of any update, your PC was healthy and working fine. Recently I made an update and now I have this issue. So what you can do is click on uninstall update. You can uninstall the latest update. You can uninstall the latest quality update. You're going to choose your account, enter the password, and then uninstall the quality update. So this will take some time, uninstalling the latest quality update. Uninstalling latest quality update might take time. Finally, we are done. Again, we'll come back to the same place if the issue still exists. And this time we'll uninstall latest feature update. Click on uninstall feature update. So uninstalling update will help fix your problem sometime. In case if you are unable to uninstall update, or if this solution uninstalling the quality update and feature update do not help, proceed to the next step. Now we'll come down to the 7th solution. Click on troubleshoot, advanced option and command prompt. Choose the account, enter the password, now let me increase the size, go to properties and make it large, font size will choose to 28 so that it will be visible. So the very first command we'll type is bcdedit, enter. So this will give the information where exactly I have my operating system, the drive information. Now you're going to scroll it down slowly. So let me check where exactly I have my operating system. You can see device partition C. Come down. Device partition E. Now we'll come down and check. Somewhere there must be the OS device. Here it is. Description, it's Windows 10. Here I have a OS device, partition E. So partition is E. Your might be different from E, make a note of it. So you're going to type this command and press enter key. So the command is chkdsk e:/f. So replace this E with your drive letter if it is different from E. I did guide you how to check it. OS device, mine is E, your might be different from E, so you're going to replace the E with your drive letter where exactly you have your operating system. Press enter key. This might take few minutes. The second command that you're going to execute is bootrec, bootrec /fixcmbr. Third command that you're going to execute is bootrec /rebuild bcd. The fifth command that you're going to execute is bcd boot e:/windows /s E colon. So you might be different from E. So you're going to put your drive letter where exactly you have your operating system. I've shown you in the very beginning. So replace the E with your drive letter and press enter key. If the command do not execute successfully, if you get any kinds of error, you're going to type proceed to this step if you get any kinds of error. If you do not get any kinds of error, you're going to close this and then after reboot your PC and your error should be gone away. If you get any kinds of error like this, if you get error like this or any kinds of error, you're going to type diskpart PART and press enter key. You're going to type list volume. You can see the number of drive I have over here. This is my external drive, SD card, FAT32, C drive, I have E drive, I have a G drive, and one is the hidden drive. So here we got the number of volume. So E drive is the operating system. Apart from E, this is my SD card, so no need. Apart from E and this external SD card, D, I have C, G and F. So make a note of, so we'll leave the drive, one that got operating system. So yours might be different from E, so you're gonna exclude that drive and you're gonna exclude any external device that is inserted, and then you're gonna select other than that. We have a C, we have a G and F. You might be different from this. So excluding the drive, one that got operating system, you're going to make a note of it. C, G and F. We'll exit the disk part now. We're going to repeat the command. So instead of D, so I'm going to use C, G and F. So one by one. This is the C. Again error. We'll use G. Again error. We'll use F. Again error. So you should not get this error. So when you are getting this error means you have not executed the command successfully. So if you are getting this error, these steps might not help you guys. So if you are not getting this error, this step is definitely for you. This will help you and you can fix the error. So in case if you get the error, there is another way you can try. So one by one we'll get inside the different drive. So C, G and F. So you might be different from that one I'm telling you again and again. So very first I'll change the drive to F. So I'm inside F drive. So sorry, in order to change the drive, we don't have to use the letter CD. Just type EF and colon. Now you'll be inside EF drive. So inside EF drive, now we'll change the directory. CD. Make sure it has a EFI. See if it has a EFI. No, it do not have a EFI. So what we do is dir. So we have a recovery.txt and 0 bytes, only 2 files in this drive. So what we do is, next was C. We'll get inside C and see if it has EFI. So let me check it. dir. So volume C has no level. Okay, it's not helpful. So next was 3 drive other than my operating system. So we'll get inside G and type dir. So it do not have any stuff over it. It's only 2 directory and we do not have a EFI. So it needs to have a EFI we need to get inside boot section, boot folder. So let me show you some examples. If that is the case, we'll use the external pen drive. We'll insert it, and again we'll go to disk part. Again we'll say list volume. Now total we have, this is my pen drive where I have a operating system. So it's FAT32 removable. So my pen drive is, here it is, it's FAT32 removable, it's drive H. We'll exit it, we'll get inside drive H, see if it has operating system, dir. Okay, here it is. Now we need to get inside the folder EFI. That is what I wanted to tell you. So number of drive we tried in the very beginning, like other than operating system, I tried drive C, drive G, and even I tried different other drive. So none has this EFI. It has a couple of directory, but none had this EFI. So why that those drives do not have a EFI? So if any one of those drive were the recovery drive in your PC, it needs to have a EFI. So that was not a recovery drive. So one by one I checked all the drives. Finally I am using the external drive to create this boot files. So this error occurs sometimes because you'll be missing the boot files. So finally, this is the external USB drive. It's a bootable drive. If you do not have one, you can create it. Bootable USB flash drive for your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now we'll get inside EFI. CD EFI. Now we'll get inside. Again we'll type dir. Now we'll get inside Microsoft. So again CD Microsoft. Okay, again I'll press dir. I'll get inside boot. CD boot. Now finally we are inside the boot folder. Now we're going to run that commands. In the very beginning I tried, here it is. So BCD boot E drive. Okay. So you might be different from E. I told you in the very beginning, make a note where exactly you have the operating system. BCD boot E Windows/S. So instead of /S, we'll be using /L EN. Okay, no need of EN, just use /L. Press enter key. Okay, so I'm missing. So it is giving me some instructions. I need to type ENUS. So ENUS. Press enter key. I'm getting the error message. So I did not notice. I'm doing a minor mistake over here using the backslash. So instead of C, I did use my operating system drive, but instead of, I'm missing the backslash. So I'm going to put the backslash. So small minor mistakes can cause the problems. Now press enter key. You can see boot file successfully created. So this is the message you should get. So finally, from the external drive, external bootable drive, I have created a boot files into the E drive. Now you're going to repeat these steps for a couple of times, multiple number of times. If the issue still exists, I hope this solution will help you. This is the last step. This is the last solution, the command prompt method that you could try in order to fix this issue. Still the issue persists. You can do is format your PC. So these were the possible best solutions for this issue. Catch you in the next tutorial. Have a nice day.